Oh, it's another new month, so another time for Steal Those Etsy Keywords, the time of the month where we dig deep into the data to find out what keywords real customers to Etsy were using in the past month to search for listings, hopefully just like yours. And who knows, we might find some trending keywords before the rest of the pack figure them out. So let's dive in. I'm using my eRank Expert account, although I also work for eRank. Videos on this channel are entirely my own, but we're going to trends, monthly trends. Because it's a new month, we can now see what were the top trending keywords for September 2023. And obviously I'm going to be happy because it's a lot of Halloween. So if you've not seen this before, this is showing us the past month, but also this little trend graph is the bit that I kind of love as well, because that shows us the blue line shows us last month what the searches were, but you can see the seasonality of this. So we kind of 100% expected Halloween to be trending. Last September it was good. As you can see, October is a little down. Now this isn't saying if you've got Halloween stuff you shouldn't be putting it out just now. Is it too late? Yeah. Okay. Well, it's not too late. It's a little late, especially if you sell like supplies like SVGs for people to cut out things to make them and sell them to somebody else. You really, really should be into Christmas for a while now. But if you have some of those last minute Halloween things you can ship quickly, or it's digital, it's definitely, we still have another month where the trend should be looking okay. So get them out. That is the number one, not unexpected trending thing. Number two is pretty good, is personalized gift. Now I bet, yep, November. Usually on the run up to Christmas, Etsy pushes the terms personalized gift. So people have that in front of mind and they're shopping a load, they're searching for it. But we can see since June, really, personalized gift has been trending up the way, and it's trending higher than it generally is for Christmas. So people are super looking for this already. So yeah, you might not rank in search for personalized gift, but add the tag somewhere in your listings if you have a thing that can be personalized. And because when people search for things, they might be searching for personalized gift, but that means that a number of people might see what they want and they might not see what they want in that first search, and they might narrow it down. Personalized t-shirt, gift for mom, or whatever. So add personalized gift. Etsy algorithm is able to mix and match things, and you might show up for some more popular things. We just know the idea is that people are searching for things that are personalizable and giftable. And again, if you make standard things that you could add personalizations to your range, hey, if it's not a big deal, why not? We know this usually peaks at Christmas. If it's going to peak from where it is right now, that's going to be huge. Gift is, again, gift is trending pretty good compared to what it was like last year. And if we look again, November, gift, it's the gift giving time. So yeah, but bear in mind, if you have personalized gift in your tags, or I wouldn't put it in your title probably, but if you have it in your tags, that is enough for you to also be optimized for the word gift. So that's handy to know. Now, we saw last month full decor was trending super high, and we speculated, will it be looking good for September? I would say yes, that's the highest ever. People are decorating their houses for fall, and they're buying full clothing. I know, actually, I put in a huge order. I've got pumpkin t-shirts and everything. So cool to know. And again, Halloween tees and sweaters. That, with full clothing, they are kind of really similar in the you can have fall related things that look a bit Halloweeny. Now, these are trends that are not likely to last long, so get it up there right now. Gift father is an interesting one. Now, often, I suppose with Halloween tees and sweatshirts as well, that could be a similar one. Often these spikes out of nowhere are things that Etsy are pushing. It's not like on the homepage. So people aren't physically typing that in. They're maybe clicking on a mailing list or they're clicking on a link they see in the homepage. But they are still interested in these things and clicking on them. So it's still good to know. So gift father is high up there. Etsy are pushing gifts for fathers, I guess. Good to know. Always a lot of the people still shopping on Etsy are women, but they're shopping for gifts for men, so as well as women. So, don't be afraid to have a masculine themed items or a masculine themed shop. At number 8, handmade jewelry looks to be declining slightly. That could just mean I'm sure they're still buying jewelry. Earrings is there. Earrings is always hot. Rings are always good. It's just how they search, the terms they use are falling off a little bit. Handmade is something that I think 18 months ago appeared out of nowhere. Handmade jewelry, handmade everything. When people are getting frustrated, they can't find what they want on Etsy, they're adding handmade to their searches. So yeah, this is down a bit, but it's still charting at number 8. So if you've got a spare tag and what you make is handmade, I'd maybe bung it in there. Halloween unique, Halloween gift again. If you're throwing in Halloween items that you've just made or whatever, the last minute thing, absolutely bung them in. You can use unique gift, all these kind of things if it fits, but I wouldn't be focusing on this adult Halloween costume. That is cool. Etsy must have been promoting it, but people do come looking for all sorts of things. Christmas is at number 13 and it's likely to keep rising. It's at 109,000 searches. What was it, September? So it was at 75,000 this time last year, for September last year. So it's higher already. So fingers crossed Christmas is going to be big. Now, before anybody says sales are hurting just now, they are for many people. There has been a very, very big slump in online buying just now. It's not just Etsy, eBay and Amazon have had a big drop as well. We can only assume people going back to school, also people worried about the cost of living and everything, so they're holding off buying things, but they're searching for Christmas things they're going to come in and buy. It is possible when there's a recession, when there's difficult times, people might buy different. So I would look at having a range of price points here, possibly. Sometimes, excuse me, when difficult times happen, what happens is sometimes people will buy for the same people they always did, but perhaps buy less expensive things. And then as they worry more, they cut back on the number of people they're buying for, but perhaps buy for the few people they're buying for one or two more quality gifts. So I would think about the price points of your items. I've certainly found that my cheaper items are doing much better this year. So always have backups. Don't assume this is what sold last year, so it's always going to sell. Try different things. Earrings at number 14. Stickers has been riding high. It's got a little dip, but stickers are still looking pretty good in my world. Falls not done as well. That's interesting. Last year, just fall as a standalone word did good. But we don't want to just use standalone words for keywords. You want to combine them anyway. So full decor, full gifts, whatever else. Jewelry's hot, as we said, and rings are hot. Halloween shirt, sweatshirt, digital prints. Yeah, don't touch Taylor Swift at all. Let's see. Oh, Christmas ornaments are taking off. Good to see. And spooky. Love searchers. But anyway, so here's some idea. Halloween jewelry was the thing. Now, a lot of these, maybe file it away in your head. See what the trend does next month as well. Or if you have things like this, think about how you're photographing them as well, pushing them on social media. Because if people have been clicking on Halloween outdoor and lawn decor things and you've got a beautiful picture, they can start clicking on that. That might do well on Facebook. It might do well on TikTok or something. Hey, a spooky lawn themed TikTok video sounds cool. Now, what I want to do, so we've had a look, there's nothing that jumps out as weird because there isn't going to be. But right now, we want to be looking ahead. To do that, we need to look backwards. So, what I want to do is time travel to November 2022. If we can see what was trending in November, then we might have an idea of what might be picking up or what's falling away for this year. Because I've said things aren't always the same, but it's always worth experimenting with what was hot last year because sometimes it can be hot. So let's have a look at last year. And gifts, yes. Gift for her is always big. I think I just see it. Yep, 28,000 searches already. So gift for her. These are not tags you want to totally aim for, but you're thinking gift for her, gift for him. What are very feminine themed or masculine themed gifts? Even how can you photograph them to go into that style and then throw gift for her somewhere in one of your tags, but don't focus on it. A personalized jewelry is an interesting one there. Nothing just now, but it didn't really do much last September either. And then it kicked off obviously huge in November, but we had a little peak in the spring. So personalized jewelry, personalized gifts fell off totally there. Now, these are things that do switch around. I've noticed sometimes personalized, sometimes custom. Now, we saw there's a little bit of some personalized things showing up on Etsy. So don't be afraid if you can make personalized things, even though those trends aren't looking so good, just slightly different words are being used. The single word handmade seems to have died out. Holiday decor. Now, we've seen some big Halloween and fall decor. So I am guessing there might be holiday decor. I mean, these are the USA keywords, but most of the rest of the world kind of copies the USA a little bit. And I have noticed, actually, talking to talking to my mum about this, wreaths, which has been huge in America for so long. To many of us in the UK, we sort of see a wreath as a kind of funeral thing, to be perfectly honest. But I'm seeing in my street now, there's some people with a full wreath. Now, would they not have a Christmas, a holiday wreath up in a couple of months? I think they might. And they've started a trend. Everyone that drives past their house sees this beautiful wreath. They might start copying. So, if fall decor and Halloween decor was big, could we not imagine that holiday decor might be big for this year? So if you've got anything, get it out there. Don't spend loads of money making things necessarily, but if you've got things that are already there, give it a try. Taylor Swift will ignore earrings are good giftable things, but, and we just said personalized up there, personalized gift. Can you personalize the earrings to make the earrings a personalized gift? And then you're hitting two potential good trending things. And yeah, personalized gift is really going just now. Kitchen was a good one. We did see kitchen in August, dropped away in September, but kitchen holiday decor. See where I'm going with that? In fact, shall we have a look and see if one. Kitchen decor. Let's see. I can't spell, so I'm just putting into, now this is the new and updated combined keyword tool and keyword explorer. If you haven't spotted, they're all in the one place. The keyword explorer has been not retired, but incorporated into the keyword tool. So we get everything in one place. So kitchen decor, is that a thing? Yeah, that's not hideous. It has a massive competition, but people are searching for kitchen decor. So first of all, we have the related searches. This is what we always had. Let's have some more pages than 10. Let's do that. So quick look at what's happening with the kitchen decor. I'm just clicking on the average searches to make sure it's sorted by average searches, and we get some ideas here. So kitchen wall decor is looking good. That is cool to know. Farmhouse kitchen decor. So farmhouse kitchen wall decor. Ooh, now that could have trended. It looks like it was just a peak last January and February. Goth kitchen decor, but there's above cabinet kitchen decor has come out of nowhere with some searches. Don't know where that search would have come from, but it is decidedly interesting. So we've got some ideas for kitchen decor, but also let's see what are the tags for the other listings as well. So you can hit related searches or top tags. I'm going to again sort these, and yes, obviously the top tags here. Oh, here's Halloween decor. Yep, we knew about that. Doing awesome. Remember it for next year. So I'm thinking Christmas decor and holiday decor might be good terms, but let's see if anything pops out. Oh, drat. Harry Potter decor has low competition. Could that be because they were just all shut down? It might be. Kitchen Prince is picking up. Now that's a cool one. Nice to know if you can do. But yeah, everything's fairly high competition. So you would want to be combining things or jumping on a trend that nobody's found yet, or something that's picking up like Kitchen Prince. Good to know. Oh, pineapple decor, but pineapples are dropping away. So what is the fruit of Christmas this year? Yeah, there's some cool ones. But yeah, here's just an excuse for a show at the Etsy, the new keyword tool. So if you've got lost, we've got related searches is what the keyword explorer was. That's showing keywords. Search engine results page. We don't have to scroll so more. This gives us the word cloud out of the top 100 listings analyzed for this. What was the price? How many views they've got? What category they're in? The top tags is what the keyword tool was. It's showing you the tags of the listings, which is one of my favorite places. My favorite tabs on this are related searches and top tags, but it's nice to jump in the others. And top listings, again, always handy. And we do have the estimated sales and revenue on that. But here's the top listings for the keyword kitchen decor that you've searched for. Anyway, so yeah, I didn't think there's going to be anything massive jumping out to say, here's a thing to jump on. But it just tells you if Halloween and fall decor is a thing, people are going to be decorating for Christmas. And yeah, although times are tough, I know times are tough. It's going to pick up for Christmas. People do buy gifts over the holidays. So look at what's trending. Look at what was trending last year. See if combining them all. Remember, personalize, customize, handmade, all of these things. And yeah, best of luck with the Christmas stuff. Anyway, thank you so much. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next time.